Habitat and Animal Adaptation, Class 5th, Chapter 2, Question Answer. Question 1. Why do some animals have shell? Children, you have seen some animals which have stone-like shell. So these animals have shell to protect their soft body. As these animals have soft body, shell protect their soft bodies. Example, snail, tortoise and turtle. Now question 2. What is molting? Children, have you seen some animals which shed their old skin? Birds shed their old feathers. So this process is called molting. Shed old feathers, hair or skin to make way for a new growth is called molting. Example of this, snake shed its skin periodically. So this is called molting. Now the third question is, why do insects have spiracles? Why do insects have spiracles? Children, we have studied in the chapter spiracles. These are some holes present on the sides of the insect body. Now insects have small breathing holes and these breathing holes are called spiracles. The air enters and is expelled out of the body through these spiracles. So spiracles, these are the breathing organ of the insect. Now the question 4, why do animals need to move? Animals move from one place to another for number 1 is food and water. In search of food and water, animals move from one place to another. Now the second point is shelter. In search of place of living, animals move one place to another. And the third point is protection from enemies. To protect themselves from their enemies, animals move. Now the next question is, how do aquatic birds and frog swim in water? Aquatic birds like duck, swan and frog, how they swim in water? Aquatic birds and frog swim with the help of their webbed feet. Webbed feet help these to swim in water. Now question E. Answer these questions in detail. First one is, what are the different body covering found in different animals? Children, we have studied this topic in the lesson. Now answer is, birds have feathers. Feathers as a body covering, and this helps them to stay warm and fly. Second point is fish. Fish have scales and these scales make it waterproof. Means it don't allow water to enter their body. Third point is reptiles like snake. They have scales for their protection. Fourth point is quills. Quills protect porcupine. Porcupine is protected by the quills. Fifth, insect. Insect have a hard body covering for protection. And this hard covering is made of a substance called chitin. Chitin. It helps the insect to protect. Now the question 2. How are teeth of herbivores different from those of carnivores? Herbivores have sharp, broad front teeth for cutting and broader teeth at the back for grinding. Example of herbivores are cows, horses and goats. Carnivores have sharp pointed front teeth for tearing and broad flat teeth at the back for chewing. Examples, lion, tiger, cats and dogs. These are carnivores. Question 3. What are the different ways in which aquatic animals move? Give example. Aquatic animals like fish move with the help of their fins and tail. Ducks, they use their webbed feet. for swimming. Frog swim with the help of webbed feet and strong hind limbs. Alligators and crocodiles, they use their legs as paddles and their tails for swimming. Squids, cuttlefish, and octopus, these move by jet propulsion, and turtles use their forelimbs as paddles. Question 4. Write the special features of animals that live in the polar region. Animals in the polar regions, such as polar bears, have thick fur to keep themselves warm. Walruses, seals, and penguins have a thick layer of fat under their skin, and this thick layer of fat is called blubber that keeps them warm in the freezing temperature. Question 5. What is migration? Why do some animals migrate? The large scale movement of animals from one place to another in search of food, warmth, and favorable breeding ground. This is called migration. And animals migrate in search of food, warmth, and favorable breeding ground. Example of migratory animals are Siberian crane and Arctic tern. Both are birds. They migrate a long distance